Hello my dear students. The question now appearing on your screen is exercise question 1.11. The question is silver crystallizes in FCC lattice if edge length of the cell is 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter and density is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the atomic mass of silver. तो हमें FCC लेटेस्ट गिवन है सिल्वर की, एज लेंथ गिवन है और डेंसिटी गिवन है. हमें एटॉमिक मास बताना है सिल्वर का. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन. सॉल्यूशन टू एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन 1.11. So let's first write the given data. So we are given FCC, that means Z equal to 4. The next thing is the edge length A equal to 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter and density is 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. Now we know the formula for density. Density of unit cell D equal to Zm by AQ into Na, where Z is number of atoms in unit cell, that is effective number of atoms. Effective number of atoms. Then M is molar mass, A is edge length, and Na is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. So now if we put the values in this formula, while putting the values or using this formula, we have to keep in mind that we will use the density as gram per centimeter. The unit of density will be gram per centimeter cube, and the edge length we will be using in centimeter. Here it is already given in centimeter. Why we are using that? Because here we are doing cube of edge length, and if we are cubing this 10 to the power minus 8, we will get 10 raised to the power minus 24, and in Avogadro number there is 10 raised to the power 23. So this will almost get cancelled and we will get a 10 to the power minus 1 only. So that's why, to make the calculation easier, we have to use edge length in centimeters, density in gram per centimeter cube, molar mass is already in gram per mole. So let's start using this. We have to calculate the atomic mass. So we will try to find the molar mass. M equal to, from this formula we can write D into AQ into Na upon Z. Now let's put the values. Values are given here: 10.5 into 4.07 into 10 raised to the power minus 8 cube. Then Avogadro number 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 upon Z. This is 4, and the solution, on solving this, we will get 106.54 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of silver. Now atomic mass of silver, this will come as 106.54 unit, that is unified mass. So 106.54 will be the atomic mass of silver.